Hello, this is Deborah Baker, and welcome to CISO Guide to Cyber Resilient Security Policies. On the right side of the screen, you see a roadmap, and I'm going to be working on YouTube videos that cover each one of these sections. And these are all chapters in my book, CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience. So please check it out. It's on Amazon right now, and let's get started. Security policies are formal statements that define how an organization intends to protect its information assets. They guide the behavior of employees and outline the security measures that need to be in place to safeguard against various threats. A well-crafted security policy is essential for creating a consistent and effective security posture across your organization. Why are security policies important? First of all, they provide guidance and direction, helping employees understand their roles and responsibilities in maintaining security. Second, they ensure compliance with laws, regulations, and industry standards. Third, they aid in risk management by identifying and mitigating potential risks. Lastly, security policies promote consistency in security practices, ensuring that everyone in the organization follows the same protocols. Effective security policies must include clear definitions of scope and purpose, specified roles and responsibilities, compliance requirements, overview of the security controls that will be used, and incident response procedures. Typically, the incident response will be in its own incident response. The policies are more high level, so they can apply across your organization, but still give guidance in how to implement the policy. Developing robust security policies involves identifying requirements, assessing risks, defining clear objectives, and drafting policies that are clear, concise, and enforceable. Next, review and approve the policies with stakeholders. Implement and communicate them across the organization, and continually monitor and update the policies to address new risks and changes. Now, this quote is from a class action lawsuit that was filed against Equifax after they had a major security breach. And Equifax actually failed to follow its own security policies and were not doing basic security. They were not following basic security practices according to industry standards. So according to cybersecurity experts, these shortcomings demonstrated poor security policy and a lack of due diligence. So it's very important to not only have these security policies, but to communicate them across your organization. Ideally, everyone will have to read the pertinent ones that are important to them. For example, every employee would read and sign off on the acceptable use policy. And there's a way that you actually capture that sign off. So when they're hired, and then again once a year. And by actually following and doing what you say you do in your policies, then you are showing due diligence. Ensuring compliance with laws and regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS is vital. Regular audits and maintaining a risk register help mitigate and document risk, ensuring ongoing compliance. In Chapter 3 of my book, CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience, I provide a quick reference for implementing cyber resilient security policies, whether your security program is at the basic, medium, or advanced level. These guidelines will help you enhance your organization's security posture. Let's explore each level. Starting with the basic level, the primary focus is on establishing a solid foundation. A key practice at this level is to review your security policies annually and update them as needed. And, of course, to have a basic set of security policies. Regular reviews ensure that your policies remain effective and relevant in addressing current security threats. At the medium level, we introduce the concept of accountability and formalization. It's important to have an annual sign-off of key policies by senior management. This sign-off process ensures that leadership is aware of and committed to the security policies of your organization. It also reinforces the significance of these policies across the entire organization. Finally, at the advanced level, the focus shifts to thorough due diligence and strict adherence to policies. Conducting due diligence involves comprehensive evaluations to verify that all security measures and policies are not only in place, but are also being effectively followed. Ensuring adherence to these policies is crucial for identifying gaps and maintaining continuous compliance with security standards. In summary, developing cyber-resilient security policies involves a progression from basic to advanced practices. Start with annual reviews at the basic level, implement management sign-offs at the medium level, and perform thorough due diligence at the advanced level. By following these guidelines, you can ensure that your security policies are robust, relevant, and effectively implemented, thereby enhancing your organization's overall security resilience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to pick up a copy of my book, A CISO Guide to Cyber Resilience, and like and subscribe the Trusted CISO channel. Thanks again.